Hi, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, and here we have the Equihunter 45 4.5 tonne built on a Peugeot Boxer chassis. As you can see, it's got the twin tack lockers in there with the breast bar, LED lighting, the Luton's been converted for a bed and that's the ladder to access it. It's had the seats done in easy clean vinyl with the Equihunter branding. Massive tack lockers on both sides, deep tack lockers there with the bridle look and the saddle pole. Access door into the groom's area, tie-up points. It's got CCTV with a roof vent which extracts the hot air or blows cool air in. It's an option for yourself to reverse the polarity of the motor. There you can see the swivel headboard in there, and then in the back, about to extend this vehicle. So in there we've got that's an oven and a grill, twin burner, sink and hob. This is a pull-out bed system which converts to a double bed. Obviously that's the access into the horse area. Large storage lockers with lockable handles and got gas rounds on them, so obviously to hold them up. This build's got a fridge in there, nice wardrobe with a mirror and table and leg in there. There's a shelf in there as well for your hats, for riding hats. USB points, gas cupboard door. So we've managed to cram all this in. It's got a plinth heater in there as well. So yeah, really good build. That's the gas door, and then obviously you've got your other tack locker on this side. The wash hose in there. Yep, so that's the Equihunter 45, guys. Give us a like and share on Facebook. And thanks for looking, and don't forget to hit that like and share button. Let's go back a bit so you can have a look at it. I usually take it down to the bottom paddock, but it's too muddy, so we'll do it outside workshop. There you are. Thanks for looking, guys. Cheers, take care, stay safe, bye.